pal. Hey, what's going on?
I'm trying to bake. You got a couple eggs I can borrow?
No, I don't have eggs. I'm vegan, remember?
Yeah, you're vegan.
You want a cup of coffee?
Sure, yes, please. More like need.
Not a problem. There you go.
Thank you.
Let's see what milk I have. Looks like we have oat milk.
It's too oaty.
Okay, soy milk.
Too much estrogen. That would mess up my cycle, and I don't want beans in my coffee.
TMI, and coffee is a bean, by the way. How about almond?
Almond groves are one of the leading causes of drought in California and therefore causes of wildfires. How can you be so irresponsible?
Also not true, but okay. How about hazelnut?
I'm allergic.
Let's see, I have cashew milk.
It's too fatty. Look at these hips. They're gonna get bigger than they already are.
Let's see, I have hemp milk. There's vanilla hemp milk in here.
No, thank you.
How about pea milk?
Pea milk. That's seriously your sales pitch?
All right, coconut.
Coconut, coconut. No.
Rice milk.
Who puts rice in their coffee? Come on.
All right then, I have no milk for you.
That's all right. I take it black anyway.